Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Patna location. It is from Bihar. Let's discuss one by one. There are many vacancies available from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's discuss each and every job vacancy from the Kotak Mahindra Bank. It is for Patna location from Bihar. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for relationship manager or a rural branches. So for this position, the candidates must have done graduation with a total 1 to 3 years of experience is required. In that, at least 1 year of experience is required in financial services or banks, and equal blend of service and sales orientation, and in absence of equality, sales orientation as a SKU will be acceptable. Experienced customer service candidates from financial services, they are recruiting. The sales orientation can be considered. So you please check with all the responsibilities and as well as with the qualification details provided here, and for further details about the job opening you can visit in the official website link provided here. For branch operations manager or a rural branches, so for this job requirement will be you should have done MBA or graduation to apply for this position, and you should have at least minimum 3 years of experience and thorough overall understanding of the banking, customer service orientation, and ability to manage and motivate front office staff. And this is about the job description. I mean some of the responsibilities are provided here, you please go through it once, and for further details you can check in the official website link provided here. For senior sales executive position for commercial vehicle marketing branches operations. So for this requirements will be minimum 2 years of work experience is required in vehicle financing, preferably CV or CE or MUVS, and knowledge of sale purchase broker and go-getter attitude, and should be having strong customer orientation and self motivated and good relationship management. So these are the job requirements. Coming to job role, lead and guide a team of 5 to 7 DSTs and ensure productivity. Interaction with manufacturers or dealers or sub-dealers in semi-urban and as well as rural market for sourcing business. Tie up with channel partners and associates for sales program. Ensure development of direct and indirect team. Interaction with credit for loan appliances and operations for smooth disbursement. Follow up on infant delinquent cases and managing PDDs. So this is about the job summary, and here are some of the responsibilities are mentioned. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. So service officer for all your rural branches. So for this position job requirement will be you should have done MBA or graduation for this position and should have handled SO profile. Next job role will be redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits and general information, speed and accuracy of transaction, exploitation of other business opportunities sensed, and also providing quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. So this is about the job description. You please go through with the information provided here, and for further details, for more detailed information about the job vacancy you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for relationship manager for HF loan against property lab sales. So for this position qualification will be graduate or MBA, and customer relationship management skills are required and sales and service orientation, and you please check with all the responsibilities provided in the job role. So you please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for service officer for branch banking. Coming to job role, redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits, and general information, speed and accuracy of transaction, exploitation of other business opportunities sensed, providing quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. So this is about the job description. And coming to job requirement, the candidate should have handled SO profile, and he must have done his graduation or MBA to apply for this position. So for more detailed information about the job vacancy provided here, you can visit in the official website link mentioned here. There is a job opening for assistant product sales manager for branch banking, point of sale. So for this position, job requirements will be 2 to 4 years of experience is required in sales of POS business with a reputed bank or merchant acquirer, and deep understanding of merchant acquiring business, proficient in MS Office like MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, understanding of acceptable KYC, written and verbal knowledge of English and local language in the market, presentable and dynamic. Sound analytical and logical reasoning capabilities are required. So coming to job role, source merchants who read POS or EDC terminals or Bharat QR in the local market, work with mapped branches and sales team for lead generation and closure, meet customers, understands needs, negotiate on pricing, close AOFs, generate independent leads from references and close them proactively, understanding of KYC, costing, pricing, subvention, etc. Generate performance reports and identify gaps or opportunities and drive top line revenue, and at last retain clients by building relationship and growing portfolios. So this is about the job description. You please go through with the details provided here, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for Assistant Acquisition Manager for RA Rural Branches Sales. So for this, the candidate must have completed his graduation or post graduation in any field to apply for this position. And coming to skills required, selling skills with a clear focus on acquiring new CA or SA, presentable and demonstrating basic etiquettes, and pursuing skills, fluent communication and basic understanding of English is required. Next, coming to key responsibilities, to acquire customers for current account and savings account products of the bank from the pool of potential individuals and small businesses, trust associations, societies and corporates, to achieve and deepen business volume and numbers, to cross sell TPP like insurance, gold, locker, FD, asset products, etc., to retain customers through efficient customer service till 3 months of acquisition when accounts are handed over to RO. So these are the responsibilities and interested candidates. So please check with the responsibilities and the qualification and the skills details provided here, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next one for Assistant Acquisition Manager position. So for this position, job requirement will be freshers or graduate with appropriate 1 year of experience is required in liability sales preferred, and hardcore sales mentality, primary motivation from achievement of targets, and a hunter by orientation, and should be well groomed and presentable with ambassadorship qualities. So these are the job requirements. You please go through with the information, and also they have mentioned here the job summary, and here are some of the responsibilities are provided. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for branch operations manager, branch banking. For this job vacancy, you should have done MBA or graduation, and also minimum 3 years of experience is required, and thorough overall understanding of banking, customer service orientation, and ability to manage and motivate front office staff. So you please check with the responsibilities provided above. So here, and for further details you can check in the official website link provided here. So that's it in this video guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.